Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my November Boxycharm by Ipsy to unbox, try on, first impressions, give you my thoughts. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm by Ipsy, it is a subscription box. There are 3 different levels. I get the middle one. It is 5 full-sized items. I get to choose 3 of them. They choose the other 2. You do fill out a profile so they know your skin type, your preferences. I've been a member for quite some time. I do pay for it with my own money, and I generally enjoy my box. There are different variations. Today I'm going to show you what I got. Inside the box, there is normally a card. This is a little bit more like a booklet, and we've got gift ideas. We've got a QR code that you can use to find out more information about what you got. And the front says, "Paint the season bright." And the first item that I'm going to pull out of my box is from Seraphine Botanicals. This is the Tea and Rose Streak-Free Satin Blush in Fresh Apricot. This has a $32 retail value. This is what the component looks like. It's got very pretty ribbing on here. I do have some of my makeup on already. I am testing out a new foundation, at least new to me. I picked up the Dior Skin Glow. I will pop up a picture. I wanted to try it out, and I've worn it for 2 days now. It looks beautiful. I also have a new shade of the Totally Juicy lip tint on from Sephora collection I picked up. I believe it's called Rose Syrup. Very pretty. And everything else I will have listed and linked in the description box below, including more information about Boxycharm. Some of the links are affiliate links, so if you choose to shop with those links, I want to thank you so much because I do make a small commission and it helps support me and my channel. Let's go ahead and swatch this Seraphine Botanicals blush. Let's go right here. The texture feels like a creamy powder. I'll use my Morphe A22. It's a little bit of kick up. This brush helps it go on a little bit lighter. It's a good idea if you are heavy-handed like me. This looks very pretty, and it appears to be softly pigmented. Looks nice and blurring. Appears to be a satin finish, and I would call it a peachy pink. Oh, I did also pick up a new shade of the Sephora collection bronzer. The one that I have is a little bit light. I'll pop up a picture. So far, so good. The next item in my box is a brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Brow Freeze Gel. Retails for $26. Innovative clear brow wax gel hybrid featuring a triple action comb applicator that shapes, sculpts, and sets brows with extreme hold and precision on the go. Achieve lifted, laminated look brows with hair-loving frozen technology. I love a good brow gel wax. Packaging feels really nice. It's heavy. It's a nice, maybe a frosted white color. Here's what the applicator looks like. I do have my brow pencil on. I have the Sephora collection retractable in medium brown. Right off the bat, it doesn't feel too wet, which I appreciate. It does have different sides. Ooh, that one's wet. So I guess it depends on the side of the brush that you're using. There's a flat side, I'm assuming, to press them down and laminate them. Well, that did a really nice job. We'll see how it dries down. Does it dry down matte, shiny? So far, so good, and it feels really nice. The next product is an eyeshadow palette. This one is from Moon Slice Beauty. I've never tried this brand before. This is the Moonshake Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. Retails for $30. Very pretty outer packaging. We have a mirror. And here are what the shades look like. Mostly warm toned. Let's go ahead and swatch. Here are the swatches. Looks promising. I've got my Refer 14. I think I'll start with this pinkier tone right here. They don't have shade names, which I'm fine with. Just start with this in my crease. Feels like more of a buildable formula. Take this shade right here to sort of blend out the edges. Go back into that first shade, put it underneath. This is a ColourPop E21, and I'll go into this black shade to see how well it deepens the outer corner. I am having to build it. Looks like that's the intensity we're gonna get. Maybe a little bit of fallout, I can handle that. I'm drawn to this shimmer right here, which is a little bit deeper and a little bit warmer. Let's go more towards the outer corner since that black is not impressing me. And that shimmer feels nice. Now, this shimmer down here appears to be a multi-chrome, or at least a duochrome. Let me see. Yeah, I see like a rose gold peach situation. Let's do that for the inner corner, or at least the inner third, I should say. It's a little on the crumbly side. I forgot to mention I do have eyeshadow primer on. I used my Morphe in Chorus. Looks pretty. Not sure my lip color is matching though. We may have to change that. I have my ColourPop E21 in my hand again, and I think I'll go into this shade right here underneath, and maybe even to work on that outer corner a little bit. And it may still have a little bit of that black on it, but that black is very mild, so I'm not concerned. Just take a little bit in that outer corner just to soften. I don't love the black looking a little bit on the gray side. So we'll just warm up the whole thing. I'm back. My liner is on, and I just wiped off the glossy part of this Sephora lip tint, and I thought I'd warm it up a little bit. I have my Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Sun. The next product in my box is a mascara from Benefit. This is the Bad Gal Bang Volumizing Waterproof Mascara in black. This retails for $29. I very much enjoy the Bad Gal Bang mascara in the non-waterproof formula, so I'm excited to try this. Here's what the wand looks like. Let's see what she can do. Your favorite Bad Gal Bang Volumizing Mascara with a waterproof formulation. Yep, Bad Gal just got badder. This gravity-defying formula features ultralight aero particles, creates major volume without weighing down lashes, and helps boost fullness with provitamin B5, all while staying put through sweat, tears, and humidity. I ended up going for 3 coats. I did have to break out my lash comb, and I would say it's not amazing, but I also feel like it's one of those that it needs a minute. It just went on a little bit thin, so I tried to give it time to dry and then continue building. Then it got clumpy, but I was able to comb it out. I have hope because I adore the Bad Gal Bang mascara. So I'm gonna give this a 1 thumb up so far, but stay tuned. And the last product in my box is from Dew of the Gods. This is the Dewphoria body fragrance in One and Only. This retails for $36. Glass packaging, very nice. Singular, unforgettable, never to be replicated. This first ever fragrance from Dew of the Gods is one of one, featuring a radiant burst of dragon fruit and lychee, notes of jasmine and frangipani, and a lingering scent of vanilla and amber. This warm, intimate scent is one that will captivate everyone around you. It smells pleasant. It smells sweet and fruity. I smell the dragon fruit, I smell the lychee, kind of reminds me a little bit of the lychee perfume that I have from Kayali. Let's talk final thoughts. The blush from Seraphine Botanicals, I think it looks really nice. It is a pretty peach shade, maybe a tinge of pink in it, very wearable. I really liked the way that it applied. A little on the powdery side. I looked down at my lap. There was a lot of blush that had fallen down onto my pants, so make sure you swirl and tap. but I'm very happy with the way that my cheeks look. The brow gel from Anastasia is really nice. My brows do not feel super stiff. They are holding in place. I will make sure I put a comment below if it misbehaves, but I believe that this has really good reviews, so I'm so happy to have this in my collection. The eyeshadow palette is mid, in my opinion. It's not terrible, but it's not wonderful. The mattes seem to lack pigmentation. I am a little bit more of a stronger pigment kind of girl. I had to do a lot of building up. This black disappointed me. The shimmers are okay. Will I reach for it more? Probably not, but I will make sure that I do reach for it more this month so that I can let you know. Maybe I picked the shades that are not my favorite. I'll continue playing with it and then we'll decide if I'm never touching it again. The Bad Gal Bang Waterproof Mascara, so far so good. I like the way that my lashes look. I was able to comb through the clumps that happened. The volume is good for me. I anticipate this getting better. I will keep you posted. And the Dew of the Gods Dewphoria. It's nice. As it dries down, I can smell a little bit more of the vanilla. If you like a sweet scent, I think you will like this. It doesn't smell juvenile. It smells very nice. I can see me using this. I just added up the total of my box and it comes to $153. I pay around $30 a month, maybe $32 because I pay for the year. Did I get my $32 value out of this box? I do believe that I did, with the mascara and the brow gel and the blush. The only thing that I'm not thrilled with is the eyeshadow palette, and that's only a one-time use, and the eyes do look nice. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you get Boxycharm, if you got something different than me. I hope that this was enjoyable. Another reminder that I'll have everything listed and linked in the description box below. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up and of course, leave me a comment, even if it's just a heart to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.